In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on More Connectivity options right away. Then select Printing. Click on System Printing Service, XIAOMI Home, or any other service you have and wanna use. They all turn on the same way, so just click on a chosen one and make sure the switcher is blue. Now wait, your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't see your printer here, you can tap on More at the bottom, select Add Printer, and if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, use this switcher here. Make sure to tap on Allow, click again, tap on Find Wi-Fi direct printers and let your XIAOMI to search for yours. If you don't want to do that, you can also go back, click on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and connect manually by tapping on Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!